This is Craft Farmer. We're here to show you the assembly of our famous whip kit, why it works so well, why it's badass, why you need it in your garden today. So here we have the Craft Farmer Whip Kit 2.0. We've eliminated a few of the parts and just made this so it goes together a little bit more seamlessly. So I'm going to toss the hose to the side for this video, and I'm going to start wrapping everything with Teflon tape and show you how it goes. The very first part we have is our irrigation valve. If you notice, there's arrows on the valve. Every time you're installing one of these parts, you want to make sure you're always following the arrows. The arrows always must go the direction of water. So all of your arrows should be facing the same way when you're done. First thing I do is take off the solenoid, disconnect the two parts. I like to do 3 wraps on everything. So there's 1, there's 2, here's 3. These pieces do not come wrapped in Teflon, so this is something you're going to do on your own when you get it. So there's 1, there's 2, and then there's 3, and I just squeeze it off. So the top of the irrigation valve gets the 1" by 3/4 inch slip adapter, and then the bottom of the valve is going to get this threaded coupling, which is 1" thread to 3/4 inch thread, and that allows our filter to go right in. So I'm going to go ahead and just tighten these, wrench tight. You don't want to split any threads, so when it's tight, it's tight. Next thing we're going to be doing is our filter. So both sides of this is going to get threaded. Then I'm going to go ahead and make sure that the arrow's pointing down. My pressure regulator goes on the bottom. While I'm here, I'm going to Teflon tape the threads of my barb for the hose. Okay, last thing, you notice I took the solenoid off. That's so that this can easily thread around the filter. And so I set this just kind of at a slight angle so that this filter isn't touching the wall. You have nice clearance. We're going to put this back in. You have the Craft Farmer 3/4 inch assembled whip kit. So we're going to go ahead and do this to the other 2 so that we have 3 whip kits ready to go. So here we are. We've got all our whip kits installed. You can see how beautiful this is. We have our irrigation valve, which is controlled by our irrigation controller, like a Aqua X from Trollmaster. It turns this on and off. We have our filter, filtering it at the zone itself to keep your drippers clean. And we have our pressure regulator. And that's how easy it is.